Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use Weebly to create a portfolio. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you're going to go ahead and open up the official Weebly website right here, weebly.com. If you've not already, once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner, you can get started with registering for your account. So go ahead and register for an account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, just go ahead and log in. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as overview, website, items, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started setting up a portfolio using Weebly. Basically, as you can see right here on the official Weebly website, there is this article showing us how to stand out with our own portfolio website. It's going to enable us to go ahead and create our website, get a custom domain, online branding, everything we need for our portfolio that we will be able to show other people. As you can see, once you scroll down a bit, it's going to show you all the plans that you can use. You can go ahead and select what kind of plans you want to use. You have your starter pack right here, the pro pack, and the business pack, and depending on which option you choose, you can go and take a look at everything you're getting. So with the better pack, you're getting more options such as digital goods, e-commerce transaction fees are lower, and so on. So you can go ahead and select which kind of pack you want to use to get started. So you can click the sign up button. It's going to enable you to go ahead and log in with your account and get started purchasing the best option for you. And this is going to enable you to go ahead and get started setting up your portfolio on Weebly. So go to this URL right here and check it out for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.